Hi guys, I'm Ann Frymark and I'm the teen programmer here at the Amy Sanders Library, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make white chocolate cinnamon and sugar pretzels. So the first thing you're going to need to do is gather a bunch of your materials. You're going to need sugar, pretzels of course. I recommend the ones that are in the square shape. If that's not what you're able to find, that's totally fine. Find whatever pretzels you can. Some white chocolate chips, some oil, it can be veggie or whatever, cinnamon as well. You're going to need a cookie sheet covered in aluminum foil or parchment paper or wax paper, just something to kind of help contain the mess that we're going to be doing. You're going to need some measuring cups and teaspoons and whatnot, a rubber spatula, a mixing bowl, and then a smaller bowl as well that we'll be using. And then you'll need something like a microwavable container for when we get ready to melt the white chocolate. So go ahead and take a minute now and gather your materials. Alright guys, now that you've gathered your materials, the first thing we're going to do is actually make a cinnamon and sugar mixture. This is going to be towards the later part of our creation, but it's good to go ahead and make it now just so we don't have to worry about it later in the process. So go ahead and grab a fourth of a cup. I actually have half a cup, but I'm just going to fill it up halfway with sugar. And of course it doesn't have to be perfect or anything, just roughly a fourth. And go ahead and put it in a small bowl. And then go ahead and grab your cinnamon, and we're gonna put half a teaspoon in there. We're just gonna kind of give that a quick little stir. Just kind of get nice and mixed in together. And then we're gonna just set that to the side until we're ready for it. So the next thing we're going to do is take our big mixing bowl and our rubber spatula, and we're going to grab our sugar again, and we're going to put we're actually going to use our tablespoon. We're going to put 2.5 tablespoons of sugar in. Then we're going to grab our cinnamon and we're going to put just the tiniest amount. We're going to do about 3/4 of a teaspoon. And then we're going to grab our oil. And you're going to do about a 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, and then just kind of give that a quick little stir. Okay, and once that's really well combined, you're going to grab your bag of pretzels. I have a 16-ounce bag of pretzels. I'm actually only going to use half of the bag. Alright, and then you're going to stir that really well so that the oil mixture will get all over the pretzels. Okay, and once you're done stirring this all together, you're then going to put it in the microwave for 50 seconds. So make sure also that your mixing bowl can go in the microwave because it's very important. Do it for 50 seconds, stir it around a little bit, and then put it in for another 40 seconds. Alright guys, now that you've taken your pretzels out of the microwave and given them a nice little stir, while they're still very hot, dump them onto the cookie sheet. Kind of spread them out a little bit. And then we're gonna take our cinnamon and sugar mixture that we made earlier, and you're just gonna sprinkle this over everybody. You can do this however it is easiest for you, making sure you're coating all the different pretzel pieces. All right, and then after you do that, you're gonna take your white chocolate chips and you're gonna melt half a cup of them in the microwave. You can do this by putting it in the microwave and make sure into a container that is good for the microwave. Put it in the microwave, zap it about 10 to 15 seconds, and then just stir it, and then just keep zapping it. You'll just have to do that a couple of times before it should be very well melted. So go ahead and take a minute to do that. All right, guys, now that you've got your white chocolate all nice and gooey and melted, you're just gonna grab this and just toss it over the pretzels. No rhyme or reason to this. You're just getting it on there in thinnish ribbons. And then of course, you can always add more chocolate if you want, or you can always do less chocolate. It's totally up to you, however you want to make these. All right, and once you're done, there you go. You have a nice, sweet snack to enjoy. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day.